Giusto, sì.
Do we go inside? Yes? Well, it's the Headhunters village. And everybody, please keep quiet. Shh, don't make any noise. It's James Gunn. They have seen us! Oh no, get down! Whoa! Get down! Very, very dangerous. And anybody get hurt? No? Oh, that's great. And now let's get back to the dog. And the dog is just over there. But they get wet, so be careful. And look at that! Wow! Wow! And here is a place protected by the god of fire and god of water. But now you can see that the god of fire is angry, and he's the god of fire. And he is on fire! Oh no! And in the mirror, can you see the water is also on fire? Oh no! What happened? The water is not safe. That's right. Woo! We are out of danger. Wow, what an exciting trip! And finally we can see the storm, and it's the end of the trip. But lastly, let's look at our right hand side, and we can see the baby elephant again. And now